Greetings of the day, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Space. Today, we are going to discuss our chapter number 2, The Sentence. In the previous video, we have discussed chapter number 1, that is alphabetical order. I hope you have learned that chapter, and now we are on to the next journey, that is the sentence. So, kindly have a look.
Three, two,
Chapter
one.
2, The Sentence. अब हमने ये वाला वर्ड बहुत बार अपनी लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज में, अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के कोर्स में बहुत बार सुना होगा कि व्हाट इज अ सेंटेंस. बट बिफोर वी एक्चुअली go deeper into the topic, I want you to have a look on these sentences those I've written. So let's see. So the first one is sweet oranges. So I want you to tell me, is it a sentence? I'm sure you would have reached to a conclusion that no, it's not a sentence. The next I have is like sweet oranges. Is it a sentence? क्या ये एक sentence है? No, this is also not a sentence. Like I sweet oranges? क्या ये sentence है? नहीं, ये भी एक sentence नहीं है. I like sweet oranges. क्या ये एक sentence है? Yes, this is a sentence. Why? Because ये एक complete sense हमें deliver कर रहा है. That is why it's a sentence. So it's delivering the complete sentence. So it is a sentence. So the same way I have the another group of sentences to ponder upon. So let's see. Interesting stories. Is it a complete sentence? No, it's not a complete sentence. Coming on to the next one. Love interesting stories. Is it a complete sentence? No, it is not a complete sentence. Now be careful when you read the third sentence. Ruskin Bond stories interesting. Though you get some idea, कुछ कुछ आइडिया मिल रहा है कि ये किस बारे में बात कर रहा है, बट हमें इससे कंप्लीट आइडिया नहीं मिल रहा कि ये क्या बात कर रहा है. रस्किन बॉन्ड स्टोरीज इंटरेस्टिंग. क्या कुछ आइडिया मिल रहा है इससे? नो, बिकॉज इसमें यहाँ पे कुछ मिसिंग है, तो ये भी एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस नहीं है. व्हेन आई से रस्किन बॉन्ड writes interesting stories. Is it a complete sentence? Yes, it is. Why? Because हमें एक complete idea पता चल रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है इस सेंटेंस में. कौन स्टोरीज लिख रहा है? रस्किन बॉन्ड. क्या कर रहा है? लिख रहा है. क्या लिख रहा है? इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज लिख रहा है. So that means all in all, from these group of sentences, those we have discussed, we have reached to a definition which says a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Very, very important to know a group of words that makes a complete sense. Now, I would like you to have a look on these groups again and see. Now, see. Group of words, group of words, tick. Does it make a complete sense? No. Group of words, tick. Does it make a complete sense? No. Same is the case in example number 2. I hope you are very much clear. So I repeat the definition. It says a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So I've written some examples for you. So let us have a look. We are proud Indians. इसमें भी हमें कंप्लीट आइडिया मिल रहा है कि हम कौन हैं. हम प्राउड इंडियंस हैं. वी हैव अ कार. हमारे पास एक कार है. These are interesting stories. ये कहानियां बहुत ही दिलचस्प हैं। The door is shut. Door क्या है? Shut है. So the idea is quite complete here. Am I clear, everyone? Else you can rewind the video and can get back to the concept. So we should always remember two things about a sentence. What are those? A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Very, very important. Most of the students commit mistake here, though they know the idea of the sentence, but they do not start the sentence with the capital letter. That is a blunder considered in English language. So here, if you see, I have capitalized M because I am starting a sentence. My parents love me. It's the group of words that delivers the complete sense, so it is a sentence. So the next point to be remembered is a sentence ends with a full stop, a question mark और an exclamatory mark. कहता ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो एक सेंटेंस है वो एक फुल स्टॉप से ही हमेशा एंड करेगा। नहीं, वो एक फुल स्टॉप से भी एंड कर सकता है, क्वेश्चन मार्क से भी एंड कर सकता है और एक एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क से भी एंड कर सकता है। तो otherwise it's a next concept, so we say it as simple sentence. The question sentences are the interrogative sentences. And how can you do this? Sudden emotion, exclamatory sentence. I hope you have understood. So it says sentence is the group of words that makes a complete sense. Now we have to remember the two things that is always begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop, question mark, and an exclamatory mark. So let us discuss these group of words and let's see whether they make the complete sense. Are these sentences or not? She kind. Is this a complete sentence? Come on, come on. No, it is not a complete sentence. A sweet mango. Is it a sentence? No, it's not a sentence because it is not delivering you the complete idea. Sumit loves folk dance. Is it a sentence? Is it? Yes, it's a sentence. Now, they lived here last year. Is it a sentence? Yes, it is a sentence because it is delivering you the complete idea. Where were the children playing? This is asking a question, so it is also a complete sentence. My uncle is an artist. Yes, complete sentence, delivering the complete idea. The open window. No, it is not the complete sentence. It is an incomplete sentence. The window is open. Is this a complete sentence? Yes, it is a complete sentence because it is delivering the complete idea. So I have these questions for you to do. These are do it yourself segment. So you can note these down or take the screenshot and you can get these answers in the description box below. So I hope you all have understood and if not, then you can ask me the queries in the comment section. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead. Like, share and subscribe for more.